Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back again with a Mr. B, another radio he had sitting around here. He calls this a lost cause, but this is a Mirage RCI-2950. Not much different. There was this time when Ranger was under Mirage for a bit due to some hot water because of these units, but they're all pretty much the same thing. Now there was a 2950 EX, and that was basically the DX version there, so it did have 12 meters. This is actually in pretty decent shape, Mr. B. This keypad may come right back to complete white. I'll do that. And he said there was one of the RF chokes in the back of this power that would go to the board that was broke off when he got it. But yeah, this is actually in real good shape. I mean, a couple wears and tears. Definitely mounted mobile, or at least a base stand on it. But yeah, this is in pretty good shape. He said, man, this is a lost cause. I was like, well, it's only a lost cause if we don't take a look at it. And if it's a 2950, it's as great as a backup radio. Again, it's just pretty much going to be the same as I did his 2970 as far as some power on this thing. Looks like this does have the orange backlight display that can be changed out. But I definitely am going to take a look at this for him and see if we can get heads or tails of it. Since he had a power issue, I'm not even going to power it up. I'm going to pop the covers and do due diligence inside. So we'll be back. Back again with the covers off of Mr. B's Mirage 2950. And just going over things real quick with it. And did see some issues here. We can address in the layout in orange. Q43, Q53 are missing, just completely ripped out of the board there. Of course, we're missing our, what is that, R190, 291. There's an issue that he tried to just do this, and yeah, these he said this one came off the board, so he kind of ran a wire to the other side there. We're going to clean all this up as well, add that, but in the process it looks like what was that, D105 burned up pretty good. I don't know if we can get a good visual of that, but yeah, she's toasted right there. So we're going to replace that one right there, a little burn mark on the board, and redo all this here. So it looks like he ran the positive down through to where it connected on the board into here. But there's some other solder work we're going to tackle up here and go from there. Re-put in all the missing parts, reflow a couple solder connections on the board, take a look if anything else has been done. Luckily down here we still have, you know, our other transistors that sometimes get removed, and see if this clarifier's locked on it and everything. Don't need it with the 2950. You have good amount on the shift, so I mean, a lot of people did that as a lazy mod, but the display doesn't track. So otherwise, yeah, it's pretty clean inside. So Mr. B, you gave me another challenge here, but I think we'll make heads or tails this and get this resolved. So I'm going to go ahead and start replacing stuff, adding parts, and yeah, we'll be back.